In this lesson, you'll learn how to create Facebook ads for your personal trainer business, when to use ads, and how to get a bigger return on investment. In a nutshell, there are three basic elements to Facebook adverts: campaigns, ad set, and ads. In a sense, they're a bit like the construction of a book. It might be a bit of an unusual analogy to some people, but it actually makes it super simple to learn what each element's relationship is to one another. It looks something like this. Each campaign corresponds to a single ad objective, for example driving traffic. Now this is your book. Your ad set enables you to organise your adverts by audience and segments, and that's like a chapter, and your ad is the different images and text to make split testing easier, and this would be your page. Well, your first step is to choose an objective. At the time of creating this lesson, there were 10 separate objectives available: page post engagement, page likes, clicks to website, website conversion, app installs, app engagement, local awareness, event responses, offer claims, and video views. Select one of those. The next step is choosing an audience. Now, there are many ways that you can target your audience on Facebook. Obvious choices like location, age range, and gender are available as you would expect. Other selections available include education, work, and hobbies. You can even target people that like individual interests too. Be sure to spend some time finding the perfect audience so you don't waste time and money later on. Once you're done, you can save your audience settings for future campaigns. The next step is to set your budget. Now you can either set a daily or lifetime budget. I recommend letting Facebook set optimal bids for you within your budget. It's ideal for new users, plus it means that you don't have to adjust your ad budget settings continually. The bonus is that you'll end up spending less on your Facebook ads over time. Once you've done that, you want to create your ad. Now you should ensure that there are great visuals that are relevant to your target audience. It should have a value proposition, and it should have a relevant call to action. For example, buy now and save X%. It should encourage people to click on your ad. The brilliant thing about Facebook advertising is that you can have up to 50 ads per ad set. We recommend creating a variation of ads and not just sticking to a single one. You can use different wording, different images, and so on. Over time, you can see which ads perform the best from your selection. The last step is to check your ad performance. You can find out what ads are performing well and stop the ones that aren't. You can do all that using Facebook Ads Manager interface. It's a slick and easy to use system that offers plenty of reporting tools.